Hi, this is Alice Bull from ScrapHappy.org at Creativation 2019, and I am at the PhotoPlay booth with Becky Fleck. Hi, Becky.
Hi.
So, what do you have for us to see today? I'm really excited because you have new collections.
We do. We have 11 new collections here at the show, and one of them is a collection. It's called Belle Fleur. It's our flirty, very contemporary vintage line, and in it we have our brand new 6x8 layered stamp. Makes these beautiful layered roses.
Those are totally gorgeous.
Thank you. They are so pretty, all stamped out. So in this particular set, you have a large cabbage rose, a small one, the buds, and 2 leaves. The roses, you need 4 colors of ink from lightest to darkest, and with the leaves, you need 3 lightest to darkest, and we are going to demo that for you right now.
Great.
So the great thing about this design, 2 things that I love about it, because layering stamps are very hard to position, is they are numbered on the actual stamp filament itself, so you know 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D all go together. And when I designed the stamp, I created a corner anchor on each one, so you know you have to put every layer into that corner, and then you can pivot left, right, up, or down from that position.
That's so smart,
and you'll get a
because
perfect stamp.
that way you can line it up just right. Because if it's
Exactly.
off just a little bit, it just comes out looking
I have
wrong.
a couple that I did go a little off, and even off, they don't look so bad. They're actually rather pretty.
Yeah, I wouldn't have guessed.
You know, to me, crafting imperfections are just kind of part of the deal.
If you wanted something handmade, like make something handmade, but if you want something that's like all done,
let a machine do it.
Exactly.
Exactly. So we are going to stamp this out. I already have it set up on my positioner. This is a tool you do need in order to do the layered stamps. I don't know what we ever did.
No, I've totally done it without it.
Yeah, it's not easy. It's not at all. And I'm kind of a
be a rebel. Come on, be a rebel, people.
You know, if the ink skips a little bit, I want to hit it again. This is the tool for the job.
I know.
Absolutely.
It just makes it so easy.
It does. What did we do without this positioner? Seriously, best invention ever. So we're going to start with our lightest color. I'm going to make a blue flower because, you know, I kind of roll that way.
I love it.
So
blue
these,
roses,
fortunately, are numbered for me 1 through 4, so I don't even have to think about it. And you ink up your most solid image first. I like to stamp twice just to get a really good image. And I did not clean my pad first, so
it's cool. We're gonna have a slightly yellow
green. Ooh, but you know, I think it looks kind of cool.
Beautiful.
Hey, I'm good with that. Definitely. One of the tricks with layered stamps for the best result is obviously to let these dry, even if it means hitting it with the heat gun. I like to let them air dry a little bit because the inks do tend to blend together wet on wet, but you get a much different look, and it's just as pretty. So for the interest of saving time, I'm going to go ahead and stamp right away. So you go to your second darkest color, stamp number 2. Pop that down.
Ooh, you can see the detail already coming out.
Green in
I
there.
know.
That's pretty cool.
Accident.
That's a great accident. I'm going to have to remember that. For the love of me, I bet I can't do it again. And then
this is custom work here.
Yeah, you know, it is. You are absolutely right. So then we will go to layer 3. Maybe let that dry just a teeny bit. Number 3.
You've got this all laid out so perfect.
Yeah, I set this up this morning after I'd had a good boast of coffee. So.
Oh, that's really making the detail pop now.
Yeah, it does. It just builds, and it's like magic. And turn this around, and you go with your darkest color. Finally, so go. All the edges of the petals are just going to come to life. It's magic.
That's beautiful.
So this particular stamp set goes with our Belle Fleur collection, which is our new vintage line that is so contemporary and flirty, beautiful florals, and just a total girly girl collection, and I would love to show it to you.
Yay!
So this is Belle Fleur. Lots of real bold, vibrant florals. We put a big punch of black in it, which I really, really like. I love the pink peonies on black. It's probably my favorite paper. The typewriters are real fun, the twirly dress, and just really good positive messaging in our 3x4 cards and our 4x6. I'm a big fan of Chuck's tennies, so I had to put a Chuck in there. I wear them all the time. I'm not so much a girly girl, but I sure like designing for the girly girl. So if you are one of those, this is your collection.
You're speaking to me.
Yeah. So we have our traditional element stamp in 4x6 with the matching die, and then the one I just demoed is the first time we've done a 6x8, and it also has a coordinating die. This collection comes with our brand new micro chipboard. It is about as thick as a credit card.
Okay.
Gives you all that dimension without all the bulk. There's 2 sheets in every pack. You flip it over, you can see all the designs. We have a gorgeous glazed brad set, and then our die cut ephemera. And our collection packs come with all of the papers and a sticker. So that's one of 11 collections here at the show.
Oh, this looks so nice.
Thank you.
And
Thank
it says
you.
that it's shipping in February,
Yep,
so that's
it'll be
right
shipping
around the
in just
corner.
a couple weeks. Yep,
Excellent.
it sure will.
Well, thank you so much, Becky.
Thank you. It was great having you here in our booth.
Giving us a peek at what we have at PhotoPlay.
Appreciate it very much. Thank you. Bye, everybody.
This is Alice Bull from ScrapHappy.org at Creativation 2019 with Becky Fleck from PhotoPlay. 1, 2, 3.
Belle Fleur and Freebird, and these are the real deal.
Oh my gosh.
I threw an extra one in for the girly girl and you.
Oh,
and here's our
thank you.
micro chipboard. Chipboard that goes with it. This is just super, super thin. You see how thin that is?
That's
Both
so
sides
nice.
there's a sheet, self-adhesive.
That's so good for
And
people
then
that
here's
don't want
sticks for your
big.
show as well.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Becky, I have to say thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
So-
Have fun with the girly paper.
These are going to go to the Load Challenge, the prizes.
right.
So I'm really
Well,
excited.
good luck to all the entries, and
If you're looking
fun with
for
the new
more
paper.
info about the Load a Day Challenge, pop over to ScrapHappy.org/load219.